So let's see how they're doing. I come out to close them up. It's pitch dark. And gotta get my flashlight on my pocket. Okay. I have to keep the flashlight on low. I've got my gloves in my pocket. Hold on. Okay. And I get my gloves out. Gotta keep the flashlight on low because I don't want to disturb them. And they're all, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you can see how they all snuggle together, except for this one here. And I need to get this one and put her on the other side. So let's see if I can do this and hold the camera. Come on, baby girl. Come on. Come on. I'll put you right here. Okay. There you go. Okay. Now I've put her right there, so they're all snuggled up in here. And I'll go around and close that up. Okay. Alrighty. I get my gloves back on. I threw them in here. Alright, everybody. Let's see. So y'all can see I've got the water. Let's see. It was probably frozen. So I have to let me use flashlight like this. You can see I have to dump that all out so that in the morning it won't be full of ice. And I always walk around in here first, and still got food in there. Make sure that there's no possums, raccoons, nothing. And as you can see, I've got 2 layers of plastics over here. Majestic, quit it! Sounds like he's trying to dump his water out. And yeah, so always look first. And that's where they have their extra cow's eggs that I wash and put in the oven, break them up for them. And that's their grit, and that's their oyster shell. And give me one second here, because I have to clean that doorway off right there so I can close it from right here. I don't even think you can see. Hold on. With the flashlight. Just like that. And the door is closed. So nothing can get in. Then I'll go around the front. And you can see it's all closed up. Now, we don't close up an area on top like this for the bits. They have to have where they can get air. Let me recount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I will close up this door here. Okay. This door. this on. And they're closed up and safe for the night. Now I'll get my gloves and go on out. Thank you everybody for watching. Bye.